Good morning, guys. I'm headed somewhere. I have to go to the bank and just run a couple errands today. I'm going to be making a 7-Up pound cake today, hopefully today. And I have to make sure that the butter and the eggs are at room temperature, which I should have bought. Before I left the house, I should have took it out so that it could be room temperature. But when I go back, I'll do that. I'm just like one stick of butter short of the pound cake getting finished. So I'm gonna go get the rest of the ingredients I need for that. I have my flour and all that stuff. And I got this recipe from, what's her name? A lady that cooks on YouTube. I forget her name. When I get home, her name is Sandra, but the name of her channel is not that. When I do the pound cake, I'm gonna leave her channel name in my description box so that, you guys can check her out because she's pretty good. She's an older woman. She's more like a mommy to me, because you can't find too many women, younger women generation today that know how to cook, And I'm a cooker. I know how to throw together some meals. So I got the recipe from her. I think I only made a pound cake in my life one time, and I always got the recipe from like my great grandmother or whatever. Even though my grandmothers, they're passed on by now, but I got this recipe from my son's father, his grandmother, his great grandmother. They gave me the recipe and it came out really good. It wasn't a 7-Up pound cake, but it was a pound cake. So, but I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Hello. How are you? How much do you charge to clean this? I'm not in a rush to get it back, so you can take your time if you need to.
So everything is
$25. Alright, you guys, I had to come back home because I forgot to get my check that I was supposed to go cash. And I'm going to have my protein shake this morning. This is going to be my little breakfast because I didn't eat breakfast. So this is something to keep me going until I get back home. And we're going to go to Walmart and it's a couple of different spots. Because again, I want to make this pound cake. So I already have the Abundant pan. I bought that at Walmart. I think it was like $7 or $8. I used to have Abundant pan, but when I had moved 2 years ago, I had lost it in the move. So, but I'll see you guys at the next location. Alright, I want to go to this park. It's a nature reserve. I want to go there, but I don't have any sneakers in my thing. I don't think I have any sneakers in my car. Got these things, but I got these. I can't go walking in them. So I don't know if I'm gonna go or not. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do now. That would be nice to go there and get some footage. I don't know how much footage I have left on this card, so I'm gonna have to figure something out. So I'll talk to you guys in a little while. All right, we're at Walmart. Oh, Lord. So hey guys, I was just at Walmart. Got some butter and I got some of these. I'm going to be making a poster board with either my channel name on it or something towards like when I do my seafood boil mukbangs. So I got the poster board from the Dollar Tree. It's a white one, and I might paint it and figure out what I'm gonna do from there. I just got some butter. So now I'm gonna be going home and probably try to get some lunch and relax. And so we're trying to get my baby off the bus. And that's pretty much it. Having for lunch today, I got spinach and some chicken breast that I cooked it inside the oven yesterday. So this is what we're eating for lunch with probably some hot sauce. So I will see you guys later. It's about 57 degrees. So yeah. It's lunchtime. Yeah, it's about lunch. It's about noon. I'm hungry. I had chicken breast and spinach, but I'm still starving, so I think I just want to get something to drink. I think I have a taste for my caramel frappe. They got a chicken sandwich for $1. I think I'll get a McChicken. Welcome to the new dollar menu.
Good afternoon. How may I help you?
How you doing? Your McChickens are $1 right now?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I have one of those?
One McChicken.
A caramel frappe. Are they still on
What
sale?
size?
Small. Are they still on sale as well?
No, ma'am.
How much are they now?
A caramel frappe
Yes.
is $2.
Okay, I have that.
The small one is $2.
Okay.
Anything else?
Chicken nugget kids meal. You want chicken nuggets or a burger?
Chicken nuggets.
Chicken nuggets.
How many pieces? 6 piece or 4 piece?
How many pieces you want, Kaya? 4 or 6?
It's 3.
4.
Ma'am, so you want the 4 piece?
Yes.
Chicken nuggets with barbecue sauce?
Yes.
Extra french fries?
Apples.
Apple slices and to drink?
Apple juice?
And apple juice.
Yes.
Anything else I can get for you?
No, that's it.
Alrighty, so 1 kids meal and 1 McChicken and a caramel frappe?
Yes.
Alrighty, your total is $6.40. You can come to the first window.
Okay. Spring is in the air.
I don't care.
Spring is in the air. What did she say? 650 something? Or 40 something? So these are my change. I got all these things in my car.
Okay, so I rang up the Happy Meal with the frappe. So you want to pay $1 for the apple juice instead of 2 something.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Your total is $6.40.
6 plus 10. I got 40. It's 50. Thank you. I'm still starving. So I gotta get the address to where this place is and how to get to it. It's only a couple of minutes away, but all right. Thanks. Thank you. You too. I normally don't go to McDonald's too much, y'all, but you know when you're on the run. Not on the run from the police, but you know when you're on the run. I got my my paycheck stub in the mail today, right? So now I'm like on my way out the door. Like I had got a bonus at the job. I got a bonus. I'm like, oh, my bonus came in the mail. So I said, let me go take this to the bank and cash it. But when I got in the car, I figured it was my pay stub. So then I was like, damn, that was mighty stupid of me. It was a pay stub, and I looked and it said, do not deposit. And I said, yo, this is my regular check. My bonus didn't come yet. They didn't send our bonuses out yet. So I'm like, damn. I thought that was some money, girl. I was on my way out the door. Yeah, so that's what I was going to do with it, but I was wrong. I was sadly mistaken. Hi, how are you? Thank you. Is there a straw in here? Thanks.
Have a great day.
You too. Thank you. You want your food?
Yes.
What do you got? You gonna do a mukbang? I just got this right here. They didn't fill it all the way up to the top, neither. But yeah. So I'm coming out the house, looking at it, ready to go to my bank, right? Because I got a bonus. So I'm like, oh, my bonus money came. It wasn't even the bonus.
This way.
So I was like, damn. Okay, now I'm looking mighty stupid. I gotta get the address to this place that we're going to. So